not the lone wolf, Mum. I am the lone wolf. I'm not the lone wolf, Mum. I am the lone wolf. Hi, Mum. Yeah, I just managed to delete the long message. Yeah, look, I don't see Toby. I ain't seen Sebastian since the swimming pool days. Giles lives at the other end of England with Willow and Dina. He's got himself sorted. You lot are in Spain. I haven't got a wife, or an unfaithful wife. I haven't got any wife, no children, no dependents, nothing. I got a car from the museum. I've got BMW that's been crashed by people driving into my road. I've got a van from the Ark. You know, what have I got really? I live in a big house, got no future. So, you know, you lot will have to look after yourself. There's a load of you lot. You've all got, you're a bloodline. You know, you've all got family like me. Well, man, if I closed my eyes and walked out in front of a bus and got killed outright, who'd miss me? Yeah, you'd be upset for a few days, but I'm not the lone wolf, Mum. I am the lone wolf. Not that important am I in a big picture. What do I want? Nothing really. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, you talk to these other people, don't you? I have nothing to do with them, never see them, never see Vicky or Alison or Matthew or any of them. Well, I'm like Robinson Crusoe. Yeah, you got to think of me as cross between Papillon and Robinson Crusoe, cut off, right, really. Do my own thing, one day I'll be dead and that'll be the end of it. I'm like the lone wolf, Mum. I am the lone wolf. Anyway, not to worry, we mustn't gloat about these things, yeah? Weekends already like work. Oh, it's great, isn't it? Work for what reason? I'm like the lone wolf, Mum. I am the lone wolf. What do I want? Nothing really. What do I want? Nothing really. I'm not the lone wolf, Mum. I am the lone wolf.